So today we're going to be doing indicial equations. I'll just solve the questions as fast as possible, right? Because of time. I won't solve all the questions, but the ones I'll solve, they will be enough for you to remember. Please do not forget when I told you that anywhere we see what now? We see 2, we see 4. What are we thinking about? 2 raised to the power of 2. I gave you that in one of the classes in there. We see 8 is going to be what? 2 raised to the power of 3. We have what now? 16 is going to be 2 to the 4th power. And then we have what now? 32 is 2 to the 5th power. 64 is 2 to the what now? 6th power. 128 is 2 to the what? 7th power. 256 is 2 to the 8th power, in that order. So I'll be doing this a lot. And anytime I see 1, it's going to be anything raised to the power of 0. Take note of that. If I see 1, I can make it what now? 5 raised to the power of 0 or 5 to then I have 1 can be what?
1 raised to the power of 0.
Do you understand what I'm trying to say? Anytime I see 1, it can be anything to what now? The power of 0.
Can it be 1 raised to the power of 0?
1 raised to the power of 0 is still 1, yes. Anything raised to the power of 0 is 1. Can we go on? Okay, so the first question I'm having there is 1a is 2 to the power of x is equal to 4. I already know that what? That 4 is 2 to what? To the second power. So since our base they are the same, since the base is the same, they'll cancel out. Right? Leaving me with what? With x equal to what? 2. Is that okay? Is that easy? Alright? So I have for the second question there, I'm having 2x g is 2x equal to 16. You already know where I'm going to, right? 16 is 2 to the what? 4th power. And what will happen?
2 cancel 2.
Since 2 we cancel these 2. And what now? Eventually, x will equal to what? 4. Right? The next question, I'm going to jump c. There are 2 ways I could do c. C is 4 to the power of x. Is equal to 64. Now I can say 4 to the power of x is equal to what now? 64 is 4 to the 3rd power. Well, like I emphasized several times in class, instead of using each time you have powers of prime numbers, use them in their prime number form. Don't use them in this form, because sometimes the question is changed. You may get confused around the way. But if you're using prime numbers, you will never have problems. Again, I'm saying 4 is the power of 2, 64 is the power of what now? 2. So this very thing I've written here, you already know if I'm going to go further, right? It's going to be what? 4 cancelling 4, and eventually I'll have what? X to be equal to what? 3. Alright? Now this method I want to show to you now may look longer, right? So instead of writing 4 to the second power, 4 is 2 to the second power, right? So 4 to the power of x is the same as what? 2 to the power of 2x. Are you getting it? 2 to the power of 2 is 4. Then 64 is what? Is 2 to the power of what now? Of 6. Right? So in this case, I still what now? Have what? 2 to cancel out what? 2. And eventually I'll have, I'll have 2x. So be equal to 6. Divided by what? By 2. X is equal to what? 3. Is that okay? You see that thing? I feel like this one is long and all that, but this one is the shortest way. If you have higher powers, right? This is the shortest way to go about it. Are you with me? Now let me take this to a hiding place. I'm sure you remember this. Let me do that for this, and then let me take these guys out so that we can do the other ones quickly. Alright, so I have question 1. Question 1E to be what? Okay, I've not even done D. D is what? 10 to the power of x, right? On 1000, right? 10 to the power of x is equal to what? 10 to the power of 3. In this case, there's no, I will not want to start looking for prime number because 10 is not the power of a prime number. You get what I'm trying to say? So I'll just do it this way. And the normal thing we do is what? Cancel this base and this base, right? So eventually, we have x to be equal to what? 3. Is that straightforward? What do I have for the next guy? I have 5.
5x equal to 6.
5x equal to 625, right?
Yeah.
Let me take this one out of the way first. 5x is equal to 6 to 5. And 6 to 5 is 5 to the power of 4. I've shown you that before. So I have what now? 5 to the power of x, right? 5 to the power of x is what now? This is 5 to the power of 4. Sorry about that. Let me take this off. So 5 to the power of x equals 6 to 5. 6 to 5 is 5 to the what now? 4th power. So we can have this guy and this guy go. And then eventually x is equal to what? To 4. Then the last one there. We have what? 3. Right? This is f equal to what? 1. I will say what now? 1 could be anything to the what now? Power of 0, right? So I can have this as 3x to be equal to what? 3 to the power of what? 0. Are you with me?
Yeah.
If I take this further, I'll have that what? 3 we cancel 3.
And then x will be equal to 1.
And then x will be equal to 0. Please. X will equal to what now? 0. Is that okay? Let's hold on for a while. Yes.
So